Hi, I'm Praneeth. Now I'm gonna solve question number 2, Math 104 and Zim. Question number 2. Under what conditions on constants A, B, K, L is ODE exact? Solve the exact ODE. And here's the equation: AX plus BY plus KX plus LY of dy by dx equal to 0. We can rewrite this as AX plus BY of dx plus KX plus LY of dy equal to 0. This is similar to P of x comma y dx plus Q of x comma y dy equal to 0, and differential equation of type this is equal to 0. This is called as an exact differential equation. If there exists a function of two variables, u of x comma y, with continuous partial derivatives such as du of x comma y equal to P of x comma y dx plus Q of x comma y dy, the general solution of the exact equation is given by u of x comma y equal to c, where c is the arbitrary constant. To the equation where ax plus by of dx plus kx plus ly of dy equal to 0, the exact condition is dou p by dou y of x comma y equals to dou q by dou x of x comma y, where p of x comma y equals to ax plus by and q of x comma y equals to kx plus ly, where a, b, k, l are real numbers or constants. Now dou p by dou y equal of x comma y equals to ax plus by, with differentiation of y you will be getting b, and dou q by dou x of x comma y, that is kx plus ly, with respect to x will be getting k. So this equation is exact where b equals to k. Now here where q of x comma y, when in terms of k will be writing b, so bx plus ly. The system of two differential equations that define the function u of x comma y, I mean dou u by dou x is p of x comma y and dou u by dou y is q of x comma y. So u of x comma y equals to integral p of x comma y dx plus some function of y. So integral ax plus by dx plus some k of y. So integral ax dx plus integral by dx plus k of y, some constant. So a of x dx plus by of integral dx plus k of y, so ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ky. Now differentiate the formula with respect to y to find the k of y. So this is u, right? So dou u by dou y equals to ax square by 2 plus bxy, will be differentiated with respect to y, plus k by dou y. This is q that we found out over here. this equation. This is equals to q. That implies bx plus ly. So bx plus dou k by dou y equals to bx plus ly. Yeah, this is constant, those will be 0. So bx with respect to y will get bx. So this is cancelled. So dou k by dou y equals to ly. So k equals to integral ly dy, that is ly square. Now we will insert this in the first equation we got. So u of x comma y equals to ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2, that is c, the arbitrary constant. This is the general solution. Now we have to check the implicit solution by differentiation to see if this leads to the given ODE. So du equals to du dx plus du dy, yeah, means we will get the same. So ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 with respect to x dx plus ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 with respect to y dy. So we'll be getting ax plus by dx plus bx plus ly dy equals to 0. So this way we can verify that u of x comma y equals to c is the solution of the ODE, where ax square by 2 plus bxy plus ly square by 2 is c, the arbitrary constant. Thank you.